Hey guys, I'm actually matching my box today. I have my Sephora Play box from June. This took a long time to get to me because of my dad, so sorry about my whole eyebrow thing. It's just not working out right now. So, let's just get into the bag. 50 points for June. Hey! Now I see purple. The one time I put a lip product on, there's the bag. In a summer state of mind. Well, since I saw the purple. This is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in K-Dub. Long-lasting, high-pigment liquid lipstick with a creamy formula glides on smoothly like gloss but leaves a matte finish. Will add a touch of color to any summer outfit. Long-lasting, making it perfect for picnics, barbecues, blah 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 blah. This is available in over 30 shades. Oh, look at that! I'm not sure if it's going to dry matte because I do have a gloss on. What do we think? I don't know. It's interesting. K-Dub. Bombs. Just kidding. Fireworks. Happy 4th of July. So, this is Derek Lam at 10 Crosby Blackout Perfume. Where is that? NYC Elixir, a dark, daring, and romantic scent that combines notes of spicy chai tea with sweet floral. Derek Lam is a fashion designer who lives in New York City. His debut collection of cutting-edge fragrances is inspired by 10 scenes he observed from his Soho studio on Crosby Street. So, fragrance family, earthy and woody. Top notes, osmanthus. Base notes, chai tea essence. See. That's very spicy. Interesting. I actually got a full sample. It's not something I'd ever pick out for myself. It's very spicy, but I don't know. I don't dislike it. So we have another Briogeo product. I forgot last time this was featured, but this is the Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. This lightweight curl leave-in cream is fortified with rice amino acids, avocado oil, and nourishing quinoa extract to hydrate, define, and defrizz curls. After washing and conditioning, apply 1 to 2 quarter-size amounts of damp hair evenly from root to tips. Do not rinse. So this is called Curl Power. Moisturizing and frizz fighting styling cream packed with amino acids, enhances shapes and defines curls. Whether you have coils or corkscrews, here's a cream that will create defined, natural looking curls without any signs of stickiness. It's also super hydrating and nourishing with natural plant-based ingredients like rice amino acids and avocado oil. Apply a quarter-size amount into damp curls from roots to tips and scrunch with hands. There is a video on how to use this on Sephora.com/play. Oh, the sleek post beach braid. I assume they use this. That's very interesting. I need to smell it. Ooh, it smells coconutty. Do you have coconutties? Okay, there's that. Pretty good. I would definitely have already paid $10 for all this. We have the Tarte Guard Tinted Moisturizer. I had a mini of this sunscreen a while ago. This is in the light color. So, your SPF BFF. Tinted moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 20 delivers lightweight coverage while hydrating with antioxidants. This tinted moisturizer with mineral sunscreen will help protect your skin from the harsh sun rays, even your complexion, and leave a smooth finish. Infused with vitamins A and E, it also has long-term soothing and nourishing effects. Using your fingertips, apply a pea-sized amount to clean, moisturized skin and blend evenly over your entire face. Thank you for making it light. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Glow Pad Self Tanner for Face. This is a gradual glow. So this is 10 out of 10. Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Multitasking Self-Tanning Pads with exfoliating anti-aging benefits gives a natural glow and warm complexion. There's a lot to love about these quick-drying, streak-free tanning towelettes. They're packed with vitamin D to provide nourishment for your skin this summer. Plus, you can customize your perfect shade of bronze with the buildable mess-free pads. I think there's only one in here, so, yep. Thanks, guys. Apply to a clean face, neck, and décolletage evenly in circular motions and wash your hands immediately. Your tan will begin to appear gradually within 3 to 4 hours. Use this product daily to gradually build your desired glow. Just kidding, guys. There's 2 more. That makes me so much happier. Makes me really, really happy. And lastly we have, oh, they gave this to me before. Bumble and Bumble BB Don't Blow It Fine Air Styler for fine to medium soft hair. Look Who's Hair. Innovative hairstyling cream enhances natural texture and conditioned strands for a polished look without a blow dryer. This hairstyling cream is perfect for those days when you want the look of refreshed and refined hair but don't have the time for the blow dryer. We love the results. Sleek, easy, soft, and air-dried hair. Apply a dime-sized amount to the palm of your hand, work evenly into damp, towel-dried hair, scrunch or twist hair, and then allow it to dry naturally. I think last time I used this, I really liked it. Oops. It smells fantastic. Yes. So, just to review, we have an air styler for your hair. We have gradual face tanning pads. We have a tinted moisturizer with SPF. We have a spicy perfume. We have a Briogeo Curl Charisma leave-in hair styler. So kind of like the Bumble and Bumble. Yeah, leave-in defining cream. Yeah. So this is a defining curl cream and this is a hair styling cream. And then lastly, we have this, which it has dried, but since I do have the gloss on, it will not dry completely matte for me. But that is what it looks like. Let me know if you like it, because I'm not sure. I never really like lip products, but I get them in every box, so that's my fault. I really, really did like this box. I honestly give it like maybe a 9 out of 10 stars. Nope, probably 10 because I did get my full sample. So, perfect box. I really liked this one. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Whoop.